Again, this is the base for all Haitian cooking. Without Epis, you're not cooking Haitian food. You might get your Haitian card revoked. You need it, but honestly, it's not just for Haitian food. I use it for my everyday cooking, and I don't cook Haitian food every day. It's really delicious, very healthy. You don't have to put the Maggi or anything like that. You can make it salt-free. You can add or take away any of the herbs. Some people add rosemary, culantro. I love culantro, I just didn't have it. So you can use whatever you like. And this is where I start with my Epis. I'm gonna soak all my vegetables except my thyme in here for 10 minutes or so. Get a little bit of baking soda and vinegar to get any pesticides and nasty stuff. And if you look at the water, you guys, it's really nasty. And you can feel the grit, mostly probably from the green onions, because green onions hold a lot of dirt inside them. I think a lot of people eat dirt from green onions and probably don't even know it. And the reason why I don't untie these is because once I rinse them off, I'm just gonna use my knife and cut right here, right above where it's tied, and that makes it super easy. Everything is nice and clean. Now I'm gonna start chopping. I do with the stems. I keep this on, and then I just cut right at the base, and then you can see everything's right here. And I like keeping a little trash bag next to me, you guys, to make for easy cleanup. And I like when some of the cilantro stems get in there, you guys, because that's where all the real flavor is at, is in the stems. And just like this one, just gonna cut it off. I like my Epis to be really herby. Okay. We have our citrus here, and we have a garlic, and we have our thyme. I'm gonna wash this. And just so you know, y'all, you can't substitute dry. This needs to be done fresh. All right, here are the ingredients. Sweet peppers, 1 or 2 spicy habaneros, but that's up to you, or Scotch bonnets, whichever you can find. We have green onions, shallots, fresh garlic. We have thyme, lime, parsley, and cilantro. In addition to our veggies, I use oil. You can use any kind of oil. I'm just gonna use garlic olive oil. I love garlic. I do use ground cloves. You can use whole cloves too, it'll grind up. I like that. And I use pepper. And I'm gonna use 1 Maggi cube. Now, this is what it's looking like. Right, I've gotten all the herbs in there, including all the thyme, which is the most annoying part. My lime juice. Some people, I don't know, are weird about the lime juice. I think it's necessary. One, I think it's a good agent to keep it from spoiling fast because of the citrus. It keeps it green, also because it's citrus. So I don't know, I'm pro citrus in my Epis. I like to crumble it a little bit. This is the crumbly one. And if you're Haitian, you know you gotta get the crumbly one. I'm gonna put a little bit of cloves powder. Like I told you guys, I like clove. I'm really low, look at that. And then I'm gonna do some ground pepper. And this should turn it green. I know some people like their Epis to have that like yellow look. I don't mind it. It happens sometimes if I use a whole lot of peppers, but I prefer it to be green because that's what it's supposed to be. Let's see. And I do like some chunks in it, but our blender's so damn powerful. Sometimes I don't get that. And here it is, you guys. It smells so good. all the herbs and peppers and garlic you could imagine. It's literally like a flavor bomb. For my friends that are not Haitian, you can add this when you're marinating your meat. You can add it to sauces, beans. I added, to a little bit of oil before I make my rice. I put this on anything. Now, you can't eat it raw. It's not like pesto or something. But my friends from the Spanish-speaking Caribbean will know this. They have sofrito. Us Haitians have epis. The rest of like the English-speaking Caribbean, like Trini, Jamaican, all that, Guyanese, they have green seasoning. So it's all the same, just with a few different, swap outs. But this smells so good. I'm gonna mix it up, and then I just put it in my jar, you guys. I'm about to have carpal tunnel surgery, y'all. So I'm trying to make things so we have it for like the next month. So this will last me about a month, and that would be great. By the time this is finished, my hand should have healed and I can make another batch. This is the large mouth jar, which I like because it's easier for me to take it out. This is what I store mine in. You can store it in any kind of glass container. All right, you guys, look how beautiful. All right, friends, we now have a nice jar of epis. This will last me about a month. These two things, y'all, are part of my kitchen essentials. You'll notice little blue tape on everything in here. And I will just put this on top, and I will put today's date where I know when I made it. All right, you guys, and that's how you make Haitian epis. It is a flavor bomb that will go into everything I make pretty much for the next month. But I hope you guys try this recipe and let me know what you think. Bye, friends.